In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up two-step verification or authentication on your AOL account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into AOL and then select your user account name near the top and select account info. And now select the security tab. And then scrolling down underneath, this is how you sign in now versus two-step verification. Select turn on, walk through the steps of setting that up, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.